Hi, I'm Pete, and this is a test video. I am going to be solving a DaYan Megaminx in this video, but really what I'm trying to do is put together a video in which I do some narration, in which I do some solving at regular speed, and then I do some of the solving is sped up or time-lapse or however you want to call it. So in this video I have several different sections of time-lapse at various speeds, and I'm just trying to see how they're going to look once I get them done. Yeah, my goal is to see what how I can go about solving a Minx puzzle, and so here we go. What I'm doing now is we're scrambling, and now I'm scrambling at 4 times the speed. When I scramble, I sometimes use the WCA scramble tool online, but in this case I was nowhere near my computer, so I just kind of randomly scrambled it. I think that probably works. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do then is do the bottom cross, and I'm going to use the gray will be the top, light gray, and the white will be at the bottom. And it's just a matter of making the bottom cross. It's I guess kind of important to be a little bit flexible, I think, in what faces and what colors you use. And you know, some of the Minx might have different colors. So this is a sort of thing that I would like to do where I show a little introduction to the solution, and then we speed it up to you know, some really fast rate. Now at 10x, you know, I do wonder if you can really see what's going on. It can be kind of difficult to really make sense of it. If it was a bigger puzzle, it might start to come together maybe a little bit, but I don't really. I'm not sure that 10x is the right answer. So here I'm just I've got the bottom cross, and I have the bottom corners and centers in. So I'm just going to start going around the center of the puzzle and putting things in, and I kind of botched this up because I was really not paying very much attention. Now this is 20x, and I can already see that that's probably way too fast. But since we're here, why don't you, here's a question for you. And the question is, what puzzle did you learn to solve first after you learned to solve cubes? Right? What was your first non-cubic puzzle? For me, it was certainly the Megaminx, and I remember having a heck of a time trying to learn this thing. It was terrible. I was watching videos and reading tutorials. And of course, one of the things I've realized since then is that these tutorials are, you know, they're written for speed cubers or speed puzzlers in the case of the Megaminx. Okay, here we go at 5 times. That seems to be pretty reasonable. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so they're trying to minimize the number of rotations you have to do to the puzzle, but you know, no one ever really explains that to you. You're reading these very strange algorithms and stuff, which would be a lot simpler if all you did was rotate the puzzle in some cases. Anyway, so this was my experiment, and I can see I started to get a little bit out of frame there, so that's something I'm going to have to watch out for. And I don't know. So I guess I'll leave you with one more question as we're kind of getting to the final couple of steps here, and that is, what puzzles would you like to see me do this kind of high-speed solve on? So so the idea would be there to be a little bit of explanation, some slow parts, and then boom, you know, all the long stretches would then be sped up. I don't think 20 times is really gonna work. I think it's too fast, but who knows? Anyway, what puzzles would you like to see me solve using this technique? Let me know in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. So yeah. And okay, so this is 5 times. I think that might work a little better. 4 times I think was great. Of course, the problem is that on a big puzzle, you know, a puzzle that takes many hours, you know, if it takes 4 hours, 4 times is you know, still pretty quick. I mean, it'll be a lot of video. All right, well, that's it for my little test. I look forward to seeing your comments and any suggestions you might have. Thanks for watching.